Hello! Do you like my bandeirinhas de festa junina? Really simple to make with a couple of bamboos. Stick them on your chair and you have your festa junina for your live classes. But I'm not here to talk about festa junina. I'm here to talk about when you're on your live classes and your students are talking and you need to bring them back to focus on your lesson. Now, I'm not saying that that's not important. It is actually extremely important that you do let your students talk. They're at home alone and they're isolated from their friends. So this social moment where they chat away, make jokes, show each other funny things, it's really important to try and include that in your class. But also, you have to find ways, and it's so difficult, to get them back to focus. So I have invented some little classroom management prompts that we can use in our live classes, not only to bring students back to focus, but also we can use them as fun brain breaks as well. And they're very simple. Here's the first one. It says hands on head. So I would say to my students, when you see this, stop everything and put your hands on your head very quickly. Hands on your head. And then after I've used that, okay, so now let's focus back on the class. Another one. This one's slightly a little bit more interactive because it has a moving part. Finger on nose, everybody. As soon as you see this, put your finger on your nose. There's another one that has a moving part as well. I like this one. Stretch. And you can even get your students to stand up and stretch, because physical movement right now is so important to oxygenate the brain and, you know, to just give them a little break. But when they do that, hopefully they'll have had a break, they'll sit back down and they'll be back focusing. And then perhaps right at the end of class you can have this last one where you have 3 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Now, that's the end of class. See you next week.